Hi Tiny Tots, today we're learning colours and animals. All the animals are here because they want to have some fun with colours. Who should we start with today? Can you point to the cow? Correct! Here's the cow. What colour does cow like? I think the cow might like pink. Are we ready? Pink.
TeachTotsTV.
Now, can you point to the horse? Correct! That's the horse. I think the horse wants blue. Now, can you point at the goat? Where is the goat? Correct! Here's the goat. Goat likes orange. Can you point at the pig for me? Correct! Here's the pig. And the pig likes green colour. Who can tell me what the last animal is? Correct! It is the sheep. And sheep is going to have a special colour. It's going to be gold. Now they're all covered in their favourite colours. What's your favourite colour? Is it blue? Or green? Or pink? Gold? Or orange? The animals had a brilliant time being covered in their favourite colour.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.